Hey, so today I want to talk to you about cleaning your air conditioning unit so you can make it run more efficiently and save money on your utility bills. Take a quick look at your insulation to see if any of it needs to be replaced. As you can see, I have a bad spot that I'm losing a lot of efficiency in. The most important part is that you kill the electricity at the unit or at the breaker inside. After you turned off the electricity, go ahead and take the top of the unit off and check for debris in the bottom of the unit. If there's any in there, which there probably is if it hasn't been cleaned in a while, you'll need to get some kind of vacuum and clean that out. You can find a foaming coil cleaner in any of your local stores, and you're going to want to spray that on the inside walls and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After it's had a chance to soak in, you're going to take a hose and gently rinse from the inside out. The reason I say gently, if you use any kind of pressure, you risk damaging those coils and you got a much bigger problem. You go inside to out so that way you don't wash the debris and nasty stuff back into the unit. After you've done the inside, go ahead and gently rinse off the outside, but go from more of a top down so you don't push that dirt back inside again. If your insulation was in good shape, then you're done, but if it's old and damaged like mine, then you'll need to cut all that off and replace it. Here's what it looks like after all the insulation has been removed. And this is after the new insulation has been put on. The last step is to put the top back on and restore the power, and you're done. Do it once every year to keep everything moving as efficiently as possible. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips.